Hi, I'm Dr. Sushan Lin. If you've been suffering from hair problem and you don't know where to start, here's the answer. MD Hair Starter Kit. It contains MD Nutri Hair, MD Follicle Energizer, and MD Scalp Essential. These 3 products are designed to work synergistically together. And it's a great value. By buying it together, you're saving about $40. Let me tell you a little bit about the products. MD Nutri Hair is a fast-acting small capsule that you take once a day, and it works very fast. In about 4 to 6 weeks, you'll notice that your hair is going to look much fuller, thicker, and denser. Nutri Hair is a supplement that's very simple to take. It's all natural, and take 1 capsule a day so you can easily get beautiful, fuller, thicker looking hair in about 4 to 8 weeks. Scalp Essential is a very lightweight serum that you can use after the shower to decongest your scalp and making it feel nice, fresh, and relieved. Use it once a day so your scalp could be healthy and your hair will come out beautifully. Follicle Energizers are a clinically tested serum that is designed for serious hair issues. Apply once a day to the trouble area. In about 4 to 6 weeks, you'll notice the emergence of beautiful new hair that looks younger, fuller, and healthier. To use this set, it's very simple. First, you take the Nutri Hair, and 2, apply the Scalp Essential to cleanse the scalp, and then follow with the Follicle Energizer using the precision tip brush to apply to the scalp. Each one of these products have a proprietary blend of natural but yet powerful ingredients together to give you the best result. Go to our website so you can see all the 5-star reviews.